Welcome back to my channel, Dancers. So today we are going to be doing a box opening for Trial Deck 6, Mirei, Mirei, Minae. I don't know how to say her last name, but Mirei. Okay. So let's get this open. So, Mirei or whatever. I don't know how to say her name. So you get the playmat, like every child deck you get. Okay. From the double packs. Okay. And the go-to card. It's when this unit is arrived. Soul Charge 1. Choose a grade 1 or less card from your drop zone and call it to rear guard. If this unit is armed with 2 or more cards, Soul Blast 2, retire all of your opponent's front row rear guards. This unit gets +1 critical until end of turn. So this is the card to go for in the deck. And let me just show y'all the non-foil. Okay. I thought we would get to see a little sticker ding right there, but I guess it doesn't. Wow, ding. So I'm guessing this is the grade 2 you're supposed to use. It's called Sealed Blaze Dragon Halabardara. So its skill is when this unit is placed on Vanguard by writing from Sealed Blaze Dragon double card, choose an armed card from your drop zone, place it into your hand. When this unit attacks, if your Vanguard is armed, this unit gets 5,000 power until the end of turn. So that's the grade 2. Alright, this is the grade 1 I'm guessing you're supposed to use. It's Steel Blade Dragon, the more card. When this unit is placed on Vanguard by riding from Steel Blade Dragon Arhina, Soul Blast 1, search your deck for up to 1 Steel Blade Sword, Prementa, or Steel Blade Shield, Saddle Bowl, reveal it, put it into your hand, and shuffle your deck. When this unit attacks, this unit gets 2,000 until end of turn. Until the end of battle. I don't know how to say these names. Okay, so and then this is the starting Vanguard for this deck. Steel Blaze Dragon Arhanja. Okay. Let's put these. Okay, and then here's the grade 3, called Steel Blaze Dragon Yoshira. So when this unit is placed on rear guard, counter blast 1, choose an armed card from your drop zone, place it into your hand. Okay. You get 3 copies, 8 of these. So here's your vanilla card. Let Blow Dragon. Okay. Then you got the Steel Blade Dragons. Saranga. When they do your boots, discard an arm card from your hand and draw a card. Okay. You get 3 copies of that in the deck. Then you get your perfect guards. Escort Self Dragon, Hansa Case. Okay. You get your Overtrigger, of course. Now you would know that if all the Overtriggers are like these, or are there some different? Comment down below if there are some different ones. I feel like there is. And then you got the critical trigger, Conduct Spark Dragon. You get 4 copies of that. You got your draw triggers. It's called Rushing Dragon Steel Double Poe. Okay. Anyone else miss the stand triggers that used to be in the old game? I kind of do. It was really fun to use. Stand trigger to stand your rear guards back up again. Alright. Front trigger. Soft dragons. Then the Goko or something. Okay. And then you get your heal trigger, where you can only have 4 copies of these per deck, called White Light Dragon Parasos. If y'all didn't know, in the anime, this the person who used this deck is blind, and she uses sticker to know which card is which. Okay, so I'm guessing these are supposed to go into your so these are arm cards. I think they're supposed to go to your deck, but I don't know how to equip these. So here's Sealed Blade Sword Prabhat. Okay, and then here's the Sealed Sealed Blade Shield Swababa. So how do you equip these two? And y'all know how to equip these cards to the Vanguard. I don't know how to arm these cards. It doesn't even say. Okay. I'll find that out later. If y'all can help me, comment down below how I equip the arm cards to this unit. Because I don't know how to equip these. So yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Follow my social media, and that will be down in the description. Hit that notification button that you can be notified every time I post a new video, and see y'all next time.